Hi, I'm Priyanka and I'm living the dream in this stunning one-bedroom apartment in the Greens. Check out this view. The best features of this apartment is that it faces the internal walkways of the community, and since the apartment is on a lower floor, you have beautiful greenery within eye level. I could just stay here looking at this view, hearing the birds chirp forever. This apartment is priced to sell at 1.5 million dirhams. It's vacant, newly renovated and fully furnished. So please call me today and book a viewing. Now I'm back to enjoying the scenery.